This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Dawley. Wow, you have to see this first floor corner condo. New floor plan created with new kitchen cabinets with custom corner glass display and matching door for washer and amp, dryer. New farmhouse sink, gray sparkle quartz countertop, island kitchen with matching cabinets and quartz in bathrooms. Popcorn ceiling has been removed and replaced with knockdown. New plumbing in kitchen and bathrooms and all electric outlets replaced. Rustic gray laminate floors with 5 inches baseboards throughout and freshly painted. Enjoy the screened and lanai that overlooks the preserve. For more information, review the details below or contact Dawley at 772-219-1111.